Hi, I'm Dorothy, the owner and founder of Flower Budgets. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to our new course, Tracking Your Expenses. In this course, you'll discover effective methods for tracking your spending to ensure you stay on target with your budget. Understanding your spending habits is key to maintaining financial health, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Now let's talk about why tracking your expenses is crucial. Many of us set budgets but often lose track of where our money goes. By keeping a close eye on your spending, you can make informed financial decisions, avoid overspending, and save for your future goals. It's not just about cutting back, it's about making your money work for you. In our Tracking Your Expenses course, we'll cover a variety of topics, including identifying spending patterns, learn how to recognize and analyze your spending habits, creating a personalized budget. We'll help you design a budget that fits your lifestyle and financial goals, utilizing budgeting tools. Discover apps and tools that can simplify the tracking process and keep you organized. Setting achievable financial targets. Set realistic goals that motivate you to stick to your budget. And reviewing and adjusting your budget. Understand the importance of regularly reviewing your progress and making necessary adjustments. Now, let's go over tips for getting started. Before you dive into the course, here are a few tips to get you started. Start small. Begin by tracking your daily expenses for a week to get a baseline understanding. Be consistent. Make it a habit to record your expenses every day. Consistency is key to success. And stay honest. Be truthful about your spending. This will help you make accurate assessments and adjustments. Now, to make tracking easier, I encourage you to use the Flower Budgets web application at flowerbudgets.app. It's a fantastic tool to help you manage your expenses seamlessly. If you prefer the traditional method, you can download our expense tracker from flowerbudgets.com and use it with pencil and paper. Both options are designed to support you in achieving your financial goals. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you are as excited about the Tracking Your Expenses course as I am. Remember, taking control of your finances is empowering and can lead to a more stress-free life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's embark on this financial journey together. See you in the course.